You ever lay down in bed exhausted thinking you're about to have the best sleep of your life, and then, boom, your brain's like,
Hey, remember that dumb thing you did in 7th grade?
let's obsess about that for the next 2 hours. Fuck. Welcome to the Overthinker Syndrome, where your brain turns into the annoying guy at the party who won't shut up, even though you're just trying to vibe. But seriously, overthinking sucks. It messes with your sleep, your confidence, your sex life, and your entire day. So, today I'm breaking down how to make your brain chill out and stop overthinking everything. Let's go. Overthinking sneaks up on you anywhere, trying to figure out what to text back without sounding desperate. Boom, overthinking. Stuck on whether that girl actually laughed at your lame joke? Boom, overthinking. Also, she didn't. It's like our brains are wired to torture us with thoughts that don't even matter. So, what the hell is overthinking? It's when your brain grabs onto something minor. Not that kind of minor, you disgusting thing. I mean, minor like that awkward thing you said at a party and it blows up into a huge deal. You start obsessing over things that everyone else has forgotten. And next thing you know, you're convinced your entire social life is falling apart. Spoiler alert, it's not. How can it when you don't have one? Everyone's too busy overthinking their lives to care about yours. Let me hit you with a personal story. Every night, when I'm ready to sleep, my brain's like, remember when you said you too after the waiter told you to enjoy your meal? You idiot. It's a compilation of every dumb thing I've ever done. You've been there, right? But here's where I figured out a trick, and trust me, it works. When my brain starts spiraling, I tell myself, right now the only thing you need to do is sleep. Everything else? That's tomorrow's problem. It's like clocking out from a crappy shift at work. And guess what? Sleep actually happens when you stop giving your brain permission to stress about useless stuff. Basically, our brain is submissive to us. Overthinking is just a 2-incher wearing an XXL balloon. We're afraid of messing up, so our brain tries to preempt every disaster, real or imagined. But here's the kicker. Overthinking solves nothing. You're not solving world hunger at 2 a.m. You're just making yourself more stressed. So how do you stop this madness? Here's the key. Remind yourself that overthinking is a waste of energy. When you're stuck in bed or spiraling about something dumb, tell yourself, the only job I have right now is to sleep. Anything else? Tomorrow's problem. Don't waste precious mental space on stuff that doesn't matter. And if your brain keeps running, distract it. Watch some Netflix, play a game, and swipe on Tinder while playing a game. Also, swipe on Tinder again. Whatever it takes to get out of that mental loop. Overthinking doesn't stand a chance when you're focused on something else. At the end of the day, overthinking is your brain being an overprotective bitch. But once you realize you can't control everything, life gets a lot easier. Remember, your brain works for you,
not the other way around.
Remember, don't overthink it. Hit that like button while you're at it. Your brain doesn't need to be in charge anymore.